So here in this motorcycle, abnormal sound is coming from this chain. So I will open it and I will show you why this motorcycle is making this type of sound. So this sound is coming from here, from this driving sprocket, front sprocket, and you can see this threads are completely worn out, and this chain slips over this sprocket, and this sprocket is not able to draw this chain. And this happens when the chains are very old, or if the chains are not lubricated properly. And once I will start this engine, you will able to see how this sound is coming out from this motorcycle. So this sound is coming like this from this sprocket. So even if you are having similar problem in your motorcycle, you can sort out very easily by just replacing the complete chain sprocket kit. And whenever these types of problems comes, just replace the whole assembly. Don't just replace this sprocket, because the chains are also worn out. You can see the condition of this chain. This is completely worn out. Okay, and here if you'll see this rear sprocket, it is also completely worn out. Teeth are completely pointed and distorted. You can see here the condition of rear sprocket, completely worn out and distorted. So this is the issue with this motorcycle. So I am going to replace the chain sprocket of this motorcycle, and the process is very easy. And I explained this method how to replace the chain sprocket many times. So this way. So please like this video, share it among your friends and family, and at last, thank you for watching. We'll meet in next video.